In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your password on your Twitter account. So to edit your password on your Twitter account, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Twitter app. Once you open up Twitter, you will be on this page here. And from here, what you need to do is click on your profile picture in the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, as you can see near the bottom here, you will get an option now for settings and privacy. If you click on settings and privacy, what that will do is it will bring up all of your settings. So from here, the option we need is to click on account. Once you click on account, as you can see under login and security, there is now an option for password. If you click on your password, what that will do is it will give you the option to change your password. So the first step here is to enter in your current password. Once you have entered in your current password, you will then be able to enter in your new password. Once you enter in your new password and both of your new passwords do match, as you can see the update password button is now available to click. Once you click this update password button, your password will then be updated. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on the video, let me know if it helped you out in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.